Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Vivo V40e smartphone. I have ordered this and this is the new one. So let's unbox this. And over here you will see the Vivo branding and V40e branding 10 years. And at this side you will see Vivo 40e branding. At this side you will see Vivo branding. At the back you will see some other specification of phone, like this smartphone is 8 GB 128 GB model and this color is mint green. I have ordered this in mint green. It has two variants, brown it has and green. I have ordered this in, you can see. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Let's keep the tray aside and you will see it has warranty card and some quick start guide, a protective case. The case was very good, the quality and the build quality was very good. It prevents scratches, that is good. And it gives, the Vivo smartphone also give 80 volt of fast charger. It is an adapter, you can see, flash charge. And here it is the type USB to type C charging cable and a SIM tool. So let's keep it inside and open our new smartphone first. Let's unwrap this first. And friends, here it is, the new smartphone. You can see the design, that is very cool color, green mint. You can see the texture over there and Vivo branding of course. And here it is the camera, that is 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. And here it is aura light, 2x portrait and a flashlight. And talking about its ports, and here it is the volume rocker button up and down, a power button on and off. At the back, at the bottom you will see the speaker, charging port, microphone and a SIM tray. At this side there is nothing. At this side you will see one microphone. So let's start it. First let's check its quality of the screen. You will see there is no lag, it is very smooth smartphone. You can check it in the settings. Here it gives 120 hertz of refresh rate. You can see 120 hertz of refresh rate. You can run any game you want. Let's check its camera also. It gives a night mode, micro movie, high resolution, Pano, Ultra HD document, slow motion, time lapse, super moon pro, dual view live photos. Let's check its video quality. So first open video quality. Here it is the resolution. It gives 4K at 30 fps highest, 720 pixel at 30 and 60 fps, 1080 pixel at 30 fps and 60 fps. I have taken some picture, let me show you. You can see it is the front camera photo. The contrast and the colors and the brightness is very good about this smartphone. When you just zoom any picture you will see there is no blur in the picture and it is very clear when you just zoom it. And let's check the video quality. So first open the YouTube and go to 4K. You can see it's very sleek and it has a metal body design. You can see it is a metal. You can see the video quality also. And let's check the settings. Click on settings, click on quality, advanced. Here it gives 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. That is good part of this smartphone. So let's check the speaker quality also. Just type here music and click on any music like this. You can see, friend. Hold me close till I back it up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Friends, you can see the quality of the speaker. The bass was very good, and you can play any song you want, and it gives very good experience by using this smartphone. You can check another settings on the settings. Just click on settings, about phone. Here it gives 14 Fun Touch OS. Processor is 2.5 GHz Dimensity 7300 octa core. RAM is 8 GB and 8 GB is extendable. And you will see the Android version is 14. And you will see the other specification, like you can just click on this and you can control the Jovi home. Here you can see the movies and novels. Here are all these latest news over here, and some others, like you can aura light, you can change the color of it. You can buy it from the description. I have put the link in the description to buy. You can check it out. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.